A new AI just launched that helps businesses automate their lead generation. Most businesses don't know about it yet, but it's called DeepSeek R1, and it will make your competition irrelevant. It's completely free, and it's finding more leads for my business in minutes than most businesses do in months. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 new ways you can plug in DeepSeek to generate your business thousands of leads. Each way is gonna build off the other one, so it's important you stay to the end of the video to get as much value as possible. So let's dive in. The first way that you're going to get an abundance amount of leads for your business is by leveraging a search engine coupled with an advanced search. So platforms like Google, Yahoo, Bing, right? The big search engines that are out there on the internet today, you're going to use that. Now the key here is leveraging the industry you're going after, the location you want to search that location in, and then being specific on what information you want to actually gather. So let's pull up Google and do an example real quick. I'm gonna look up chiropractors in Tampa, okay? And what this is gonna give me, it's gonna give me a list of a bunch of chiropractors, but it's not gonna give me the information that I need to have on my list to reach out to these people to set appointments. And so if you look here, we've got a list of people, but we don't have the emails or the phone numbers that we need to be successful. So the way that you're gonna do that is go to tools here, advanced search, and then in the exact word or phrase, you're going to gather the email that you wanna go after first to extract from Google. So this example I'm gonna do at gmail.com, but what I found to work really well for my business is to not just do Gmail, but also do Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, iCloud, after you've extracted all the Gmails from page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth on Google for that location. But let's go ahead and copy at Gmail just for this example here. Advanced search, and then you're gonna notice it's gonna pull up all the chiropractors in Tampa with a Gmail email. So I look here, we've got this email right here, we've got this email right here for a Gmail, and then we have this one right here for Gmail as well. So it's extracting all those for us automatically. Now the way that I wanna do is I wanna take this information and then put it into DeepSeek so it puts it in a nice table and automates this process for me. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to Control A this sheet here and then copy it, then put it into this system here called DeepSeek and use this prompt here that I developed to make it in a nice, easy format for us to extract and go after. So the format, if you guys are on the same page, is format the data into a table with the business name, the first name, the last name, the website, the email, and the phone. This is gonna give you guys all the information you need to set appointments and make sales. So as you're gonna see, DeepSeek is going to then put this information for me in a nice format so I can extract this and make a sales appointment. But that's the first way where we're gonna do that is gonna be on a search engine with an advanced search option. Google is by far the best way. Then you can go after the phone number, so on and so forth. The Instagram page, right? The Facebook page, whatever you want, you can extract by just making it very, very straightforward in the advanced search of what you need with the exact phrase. Okay, the second way we're gonna do this is we're going to use a general business directory, okay? So a directory that essentially is gonna have all businesses in your area. Think plumbers, realtors, lawyers, med spas, gyms, any type of business in your area. It's gonna have essentially in a directory for all those locations in a specific area for you to grab. And so some example of this are gonna be like Super Pages. I'm sure you've heard of Yellow Pages. I'm sure you've heard of Better Business Bureau, but Super Pages actually works very, very well for us. So I'm gonna show you exactly how we're going to extract contacts from Super Pages. We're gonna first type in Google Super Pages. We're then gonna go to Super Pages, and I'm going to, for the sake of this video, just look up chiropractors again. Chiropractors, and again, my location, we'll do Los Angeles to make this simple. But then it's gonna pull all of the chiropractors in Los Angeles that I want to be working with, okay? So you're gonna see the business name, the phone number, it's gonna give me all the information I need, and there's gonna be pages and pages and pages of this for me to extract, right? And so again, I'm not gonna go through all the pages and do that, but it's gonna be the same process. I'm going to Control A, I'm gonna copy this information, I'm gonna put it in DeepSeek so it can work for me, and it's going to extract this data all right here in this chat, and it's going to put it in a nice formatted list here for me to use so I can then upload it into a system later to either cold email or cold call to set appointments for my business. But that is gonna be the second way to get an abundance amount of leads. You can also use Yellow Pages and Better Business Bureau Those are great sources as well for a general business directory. The last and not least process here is going to be a targeted business directory. So what a targeted business directory is, it's essentially a niche specific directory that you can go after. So for example, if you're looking for real estate agents, realtor.com is going to have a section on the site that's going to allow you to filter realtors in a certain area to extract. If you're looking for lawyers, findlaw.com is another example of that. It's going to show you all the attorneys that have a certain qualification, maybe personal injury, real estate, in a location, and you can extract that information. So for this example, I will do a lawyer to make this very simple, but we're just going to go to Find Law. Okay, as an example, click on Find Law, and then I'm going to simply just say, find a lawyer near me, next. Legal issue, I can do, again, anything. I can do real estate if I wanted to. And it's going to give me all of the lawyers in my area with a real estate background, which is, again, this is so huge. And so I can take all this information again and put it into DeepSeek to make sure it's in a nice, easy format for me to copy and paste and put into a system to go after. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing here in DeepSeek. As you can see, it is finished, I'm sure, with this right here. Boom. And that's the last one I'm gonna do, okay? So now, as you guys can see, right, there's an unlimited abundance of ways to do this. And again, you're gonna make sure you wanna go through every single page, copy and paste, make sure that you have the right format. Now, what I wanna show you is, once I have these leads, how do I actually take these leads, put them into a system so I can then start setting appointments for my business to make sales? That's a great question. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna extract those leads. You're gonna go to Google Sheets. You're gonna do new blank spreadsheet. Then you're going to go back to your DeepSeek and you're simply just going to copy and paste. As you can see, I'm gonna have all this information on a CSV file now, right? In a simple, easy format. Now what I can do is I can download this CSV format. And if I wanted to cold call these leads, I can go to a software called like Go High Level, for example. I can go to some account. I'm gonna go to contacts. I'm then going to import these contacts, and I wanna make sure it's contacts. I can take these leads, I can upload them into the system. I can make sure they match correctly, business name, first name, last name, website, email, phone, perfect. Then I can confirm the information, which all looks great. I'm gonna confirm, start my bulk import. Then what I can do is I can go to automation here, and I can create workflow, start from scratch. And what I wanna do is I'm gonna cold call. I'm going to manual cold action, okay? Save this action and basically name this cold call campaign number 1. Then when I go back to contacts, I've got all my contacts in here. Again, this should be thousands and thousands and thousands of contacts. We're going to add all the contacts. I'm gonna go to select all the contacts, go to add automation, and then I'm going to add this contact in the cold call campaign, add all at once, and then start dialing those contacts to get them to book an appointment with my agency to close them into my services. That is the process on how to extract an unlimited amount of leads with using DeepSeek, okay? So if you like the content, subscribe for more. And if you want, again, the video on how to cold call to book appointments for agency, I will link it right here for you.